Hello viewer, how to fix RCS disconnected from your Google Message app. Let's see the solution. Open your phone setting. Now scroll down. Click on your apps. Now tap on three line. Now show all system app. Now click OK. Now search Carrier Service. Go to Google Carrier Service. From the lower left corner, uninstall Google Carrier Service. Go to your home page. Now open Google Play Store. Now tap on search icon. Now search Google Carrier Service. Go to Carrier Service. Now again install Google Carrier Service. Please wait for installation process. Now installation process complete. Now open your Google Message app. Tap on profile icon. Go to message setting. Now click on RCS chat. Now turn off your RCS chat. Tap on turn off. Now again turn on your RCS chat. Now see your RCS chat successfully connected. So follow all of these steps to fix RCS disconnected from your Google Message app.